Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme on the KuCoin application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the sign up/login button and proceed forward with your email address and password, or by using your phone number or Telegram account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change the theme for the application, tap on the menu icon at the top left. You can then tap on the settings option, which will take you into your settings page. Now, within this page, you will see the theme option. When you tap on this, you will be able to choose within the light and the dark theme. Go ahead and tap on whichever theme you prefer to use, and it will change the theme for the application right away and restart the application. And now you can use the application within the theme that you just selected. Now, from the menu icon at the top left corner, you can also tap on the moon or the sun icon, and it will change into the light and the dark theme right away as well. From the settings page, you can also choose the system default option, and it will change into whatever setting your device is running on for the KuCoin application as its theme. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the theme on the KuCoin app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.